Hi, sixth graders. All right, last video for Unit 9, which is on discounts. So, all right, so if we want to find the sale price of an item, basically we're finding the discount, which means we're taking the original price of something and we're subtracting whatever the percent is off. We're taking that away from the original amount. So just like sales tax, we have two different methods that I want you to learn and write down both of them. So you have an example of both, and then you'll get to decide which one you like better. So if a hoverboard has a regular price of $68 and it's on sale on sale at 35% off or a 35% discount, what is the sale price? So we know that it's going to be less than $68 because we know if we go in a store and we see 35% off, we know that whatever we pick, that when we go to the register, it's going to be less than that. So we obviously need to make sure our answer is less than $68. So first method is going to be, it's going to start out similar to sales tax. We're going to take our percent and we're going to change it to a decimal. Then we're going to take our price, $68, and we need to find out what is 35% of $68, which would tell us what is or how much of the price is going to be taken away. So $68 times 0.35 is going to be 68 times 0.35. 68 times 0.35 is 23.8, and I'm going to add a 0 to make it $23.80. So this is how much is going to be taken off of the price. It's not how much we're going to pay, how much is going to be taken away. So then our next step is to take that away from the price. So 68 minus $23.80. And we get 68 minus 3.8. We get 44.2. So I'm going to add a 0 and make it $44.20. That's my total. The second method is similar to sales tax, except instead of adding our percent to 100, we're going to subtract it. Because if the hoverboard is on sale at 35% off, basically that says that we're paying 65% of the price. Because if I do 100% minus 35%, I get 65%. So I want to know, because I need to know how much I have to pay. So basically I need to know what is 65% of 68. So then we do 68 times 0.65. And just to double check that it's the same, I do 65 times 0.65. I do 68 times 0.65. And I get 44.2. I add that 0 because it's money and my dollar sign. All right. A t-shirt that has a regular price of $15.50 is on sale at 25% discount. What is the sale price of the t-shirt? So we're going to do method 1 for this first one, and then I'll do method 2 for the second one. So we have, I need to change this to 0.25. So I'm going to do $15.50 times 0.25. And I get 15.5 times 0.25. I get 3.88. I'm going to round it up because it's money and we only go to the hundredths. Then I have to do 1550 minus 3.88. And I get $11.62. 25% off of $15.50 would make me pay $11.62, which makes sense that 25% off would be, about $12 or around there. Okay, Converse shoes have a regular price of $50 and are on sale for 15% off. What is the sale price? So this time I'm going to do method 2. I'm going to do $50 times, and I'm going to take 100%, subtract 15%, and I get 85%. Then I need to change that to a decimal, so times 0.85, because I'm basically paying for 85% of the shoes. So 50 times 0.85 is 42.5, but I have to add that 0 and my dollar sign. So the shoes would be $42.50. A cell phone is on sale for 30% off. If the sale price is $349.99, what is the original price? So this time we are given the sale price. We need to find the original price. This would be a good problem for you to write down. And let's look over here. Remember that in the percent equation, the percent must be written as a decimal. Since the sale price is 70% of the original price, we would use 0.7 to represent 70% in the percent equation. So there's a couple ways to do this, but because a cell phone is on sale for 30% off, remember that means we are paying 70% of the phone. So we're going to take 70%, which I'm going to make it a decimal, times X, because that's how much the cell phone is to start with, and I get $349.99. Okay, so because it's on sale for 30% off, remember we would do the 100% minus 30%, and that's how I get my 70%. Now, we're pros at solving equations. We are just going to divide both sides by 0.7. So 349.99 divided by 0.7, and I get X equals 499.99. I'm going to round it to the nearest hundredth. So that means the cell phone started at $499.99, and we took 30% off, and it brought us to $349.99. So if I just check that really quick and I do 499.99 times 0.7, because remember we're paying 70% of it, I get $349.99. Okay, let's do another one. Find the original price if the sale price of the cell phone was $305.15 with the same discount. So why don't you pause me and try this one on your own and see if you get the answer yourself. So we're going to set it up very similar. Same discount, so we're going to use 70% again, because remember we're paying 70% of the phone, times X equals 305.15. Divide both sides by 0.7. So I'm going to do 305.15 divided by 0.7. And I get X equals 435.93, because I round it to the nearest hundredth. So that means we started at $435.93, and we got it for $305.15 with the 30% off discount. Last slide. Gabby goes shopping at Cub and buys 4 frozen pizzas for $10. If she has a 15% off coupon and there is a 6.875% sales tax on food in Minnesota, how much total will she spend at Cub? So if she goes up to the register and the sale is 4 pizzas for $10 and she gives them her coupon, they're going to do the coupon first. So coupon is first, then they do the sales tax. So $10. So we start with $10. We know that with a 15% off coupon, she's actually paying 85%. So I'm going to do times 0.85. So 10 times 0.85 gives me $8.50. Remember, you could also take you can multiply it times 0.15, and you would get $1.50, and then you would subtract that from 10, and you would get $8.50. So that's with the coupon. Then they have to take the $8.50 and add the sales tax. So now we have $8.50 times, and we'll do times 1.06875, because remember, with sales tax we can just add it to 100% and then make it a decimal. So now I'm going to do 8.5 times 1.06875, and I get $9.08 for a total price. So she still gets a discount, she still gets a deal with her coupon, even though she has to pay sales tax. But I want you to understand that they would take the coupon first and then add the sales tax. So coupons and discounts would be subtracting. Sales tax, remember, is adding. All right, that's all that I have for you. It makes me want to go shopping and use some coupons and get some good deals. Have a great day.